Okay. Alright, things are going well. Knees are coming back to where they're supposed to be.
Yeah, the knees are good. I'm so happy with them. I drove 4 hours, 8 hours in total last weekend to go to Birmingham, come back. The first day on the way there, I felt a little bit, and the day after, I felt a little bit the knees. But on the way back, nothing.
Nice.
I normally struggle even just from home to work.
Wish I how long it takes?
It takes 10 minutes.
Yeah. Okay.
So yeah, I was really happy with that, because you can imagine just driving and the agony. Literally, it feels like someone was hammering at my knees all the time for 4 hours. But this time, and the way there was just the last hour, very light pain, discomfort more than pain, and then on the way back, I totally forgot about it. It's just nothing.
Nice.
Oh, so happy.
Very good stuff.
Yeah, thank you.
No, thank you. Okay. Alright. Anything to tell me today?
My knees are great.
Yep.
The first time in 4 months.
Nice.
So I trained again legs like twice and no issues with my knees. The only thing is my lower back still hits me.
On the right, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, yeah. I'm just going to gently move your neck side to side. So, yeah. Where does it pull here? If it pulls at all?
A little bit.
Where?
Yeah.
Okay. Is that the one?
Yeah.
Alright. Yeah, that one. Okay, could you go in front for me, please? Thanks. Alright, legs straight, lift it up as high as you can. No, so like this. Good. Keep it up, please. Alright, and the other one? Down. And the other one? Okay. Now if I press here, lift this up. That's comfy, isn't it?
Yeah, it's
Huh?
a little bit of a strain.
A little bit of a strain.
Yeah.
Where?
It's just hard to keep it up.
Okay. This side up, please. Just going to get off here. 2. Yes. Perfect. So bring this down. I got you here. Yep. And I'll go in front of you. Yeah. Can you lift it up again, please? Okay.
So a little bit easier.
Okay. And the other one? Okay. You're a strong man. You train a lot, don't you? Take a deep breath. All the way up. Drop your shoulders, nice and easy. Alright. When have you got your next boot camp?
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow? Nice.
You gotta come.
Yeah, you know I can actually tomorrow. Where is it?
Say at the Barrington, Saturday.
Alright. And this knee as strong as you can. Yeah, towards your body.
Okay.
Yeah. Up. And this one again. Good. On your back. Good man. Now, hold this as strong as you can. Push it to my hand. Down. Push apart. Down. Squeeze again. Because the laces are grinded.
Yeah.
Good. This is still a little bit. push. Push. Okay. So twist a little bit the knee. No kicking. Alright. Let this go. Alright. Squeeze. Nice. Cinderella. Your foot is moving better when it comes down to the heel. You really can't bring the feet up really stiff. Let go this way. There you are. So, if you can see the difference now. Yeah. That is nice and easy. Yeah.
Not bad, good too.
Yeah, I bet you did. Alright. Hey, look.